Hello guys, so you can see uh, this is my office. So I can say this is my office, but after some time this was my office because today is my last working day. A few of you already know because I have already told in previous video, but still I am feeling very sad. You can understand because today is my last working day in Wipro, and you can see in my back the buildings. These are my office. Okay, anyway, this is the last video inside the Wipro campus, because I don't know in future I will rejoin this organization or not. I can't say because we can't say destiny will take us to their own way, so we can't decide where we will work in future. But anyway, um, in 26th I am joining a new organization, and I don't know what to say. I can say to all my Wipro friends that I really miss you all, and I have learned a lot from you guys, and definitely I will be in touch no matter what will happen in future, but definitely I will be in touch. And anyway, I think I made a good relationship with everyone, so including my colleagues, manager, and my junior. So all of you, wishing you all the best and a good luck in your future, and we'll meet again. Definitely we'll meet, and a lot more challenges coming ahead, because I am joining, as I already mentioned, on 26th I am joining a new organization. So new organization, definitely new challenge, so I should accept all those challenge. And seriously I am feeling very bad. I can't express because from last 3 years I am working in Bangalore and working for Wipro, and unfortunately, but you can say unfortunately, and also, but definitely I should look into my career growth. So because of that only I take this step, and yeah, in future also I will do the same thing in new organization, and I will improve myself much better, and I gain a lot from this organization, and same thing I will apply in new organization as well. And, on 26th July, today is 21st July 2021, and on 26th July I will create another video in new organization. Actually, after 1.5 years I am coming to this office, because during pandemic everyone is working from home, so I am also working from home, and I came here to submit my ID card, because this ID card is no use for me, as I am not the employee of right now I am the employee of Wipro, but after some hour, once I will submit this I card, then I will not be the part of this organization. And I really missing. You can see that third building, right? This one is the first, second, then third. Third building. Inside that third building is my chamber. Okay, so I was working inside that building. So now I don't need to go that building, because no one is there. Everyone is working from home, and you can see only security personnel are there, and actually inside that we have a parking, vehicle parking, but as no employees are coming here, so we kept our bike outside, uh, and a lot more changes I have seen in few months only, because 1.5 years I came here, and that time they are planting trees, and now those trees are already grown up. So a lot of memory I am taking with me. I don't know what to say, yaar. All Wipro employees, this video is for you only, and also my viewers, to you as well. And whoever has already worked with me, and you know me in Wipro, then definitely you will also miss me, because you know I am a friendly person and I always be friendly with my team, my juniors, my seniors. So you all will miss me, and I will also miss you as well. What else I can say? I know this is my last video inside this campus, but still I don't know what to say. I'm really feel bad. I'm really feeling bad. Oh my god. On third floor, I usually sitting there for coffee and all during snacks time. Okay. And in outside we are coming for outside the tea vendor. Okay, we are coming that place to take tea and all, snacks as well. But most of the time we are spending time in third floor only, because there is a cafeteria, and in cafeteria we are enjoying a lot with my colleagues. So really feeling sad, and you can see I'm laughing, but it's not the smile. And inside, actually really inside, I am really hot and feeling bad, because I am leaving a organization. I have attached too much with this organization for last 3 years, and suddenly I am moving to different organization for my career growth, and as well my salary growth. So I have to take this step. And what else? I can show you this tree, these plants. You can see, all those flowers. It really looks beautiful. And we have a beautiful campus in everywhere, even if in Electronic City, in Sarjapur. This is the Kodati campus. Okay, I came to Kodati campus now. Earlier, I was supposed to go Sarjapur office or Electronic City office, but I thought no, I should go to that office where I was sitting. Okay, because of that only I came here. Otherwise, from my home, Sarjapur Wipro is near. So I was thinking that to submit my ID card, I should go to Sarjapur office. But later I thought no, but the workplace where I was working, in that campus I should go, and I came here. And really, I will take lot of memory with me. Lot of memory with me. So anyway, to Wipro employees, if I did some wrong, you will forgive me. And I think I didn't do such thing. But still, if you felt something bad, then don't take it. Okay, just forgive me, and be a friend, and I will definitely contact you all, whoever in contact during my working time. And after my resignation, everyone told me to return, means to take back my resignation, and they have offered me a lot from this organization. But still, I have moved forward, because I got a better opportunity and better offer from different organization, so that I preferred to join that organization. And you can see now it's raining, and I will end this video right now, and I will go inside the office. So, hi, he's Anirban, he's my colleague. So I have already shown you from back backside camera I will show you our Wipro. You can see this is the main gate, this is the second gate, gate number 2, that is the exit gate, this is the entry gate, and you can see the buildings. Okay, now look how beautiful it is. Really, it's a good environment. Thank you all. You can see. I think you are really enjoying with me, right? You all guys with me right now. Yeah. You all are enjoying with me, and I am going to the gate number 2 where I will submit my iCard and I will move forward, and at the end I will say goodbye to Wipro, and this is the last cliff. Okay, thank you all. Here I will scan, I will go that side, then I will deposit my iCard. Hi all, you can see I came here with iCard and I am going out without iCard. Okay, that is the last meeting. Bye bye, see you soon in different organization with different challenge. Thank you.